Hi, my name is Emma with RDO Equipment Company, and we are out here at our field days getting ready to test the new John Deere See Spray Select. We are going to be testing it kind of in a fun way. We're playing See and Spray poker. We got these green poker chips. We're going to be tossing them out in the field, and we're going to be driving around and seeing how well See and Spray Select identifies the green poker chips out in our black field. Okay, that one is soaked. 2 for 2. See if we can go for 3. Looks like we got that one. I see 4 and 5. Yep, there's 4. They're all gonna be soaked. That one's really drenched. Ooh, got number 8. That's a big drop. All right, here's number 15. Absolutely drenched. Don't gamble with your yields. Trust the all-new See and Spray from John Deere. Contact your local RDO Equipment Company dealer to learn more.